All right, so we had Diego take off the rear valance, the rear bumper, and the trunk. So now we're going to roll it out so we can hit these spots and expose the metal there so we can make our repairs. All right, so we took down this metal. This side was actually okay. There was just moisture trapped up underneath the lead work, but this side's solid throughout the whole way. Looks like they've already replaced this cowl piece because those aren't factory spot welds. So we're gonna go ahead and clean these up and then just fill this back in. This side is okay, it's structurally sound. This side, the side that didn't look as bad, actually is the worst side. There's a lot of brazing in here, and probably this whole area here, I've already marked it off. We're gonna go ahead and replace this. We'll start taking this lead work out just to see what's under there, because if this looks this bad, it's probably the same under here. And once we clear all this out, then we'll start making pieces to fix basically this side and then overlap it on the other side.